Hey everyone, today we will be studying about the types of skin incisions which are given during autopsy. So let's discuss them one by one. First, we have the eye-shaped incisions, which you can see in green color. So the eye-shaped incision extends from the chin above to the pubic symphysis below, leaving the umbilicus as it is a cicastral fibrous tissue which is difficult to suture back. It is the most commonest and the easiest incision to be given. It helps in assessing neck, thorax, and abdomen, all the three cavities in a single incision. Then we have a Y-shaped incision, which you can see in brown color. The Y-shaped incision extends from the sternum up to the pubic symphysis, leaving the umbilicus, and the prongs of the Y extend up to the acromion. In females, the upper incision is given below the breast, that is an inframammary incision, as it is more cosmetically appealing. Then we have a modified Y-shaped incision, which you can see in blue color. So the modified Y-shaped incision extends from the suprasternal notch above up to the pubic symphysis, leaving the umbilicus, and the prongs of the Y extend from suprasternal notch in the center up to the centers of the clavicle, then go upwards behind the neck and then behind the ear up till 1 centimeter behind the external auditory opening. The modified Y-shaped incision helps us to visualize the neck structures better, which is required in the cases of hanging and strangulation. Then we have the T-shaped incision, which you can see in red color. The T-shaped incision extends from one acromial process to the other, that is a bisacromial incision, and then extending as an anterior midline incision up to the pubic symphysis, leaving the umbilicus. The T-shaped incision is also known as the bucket handle or the U-shaped incision or the calyx as it gives rise to a cup-like structure. So let's discuss all these incisions and learn a trick to remember them. So the eye-shaped incision is a single line. It is the easiest incision to be given, the most commonest, and helps us to assess all the three cavities. Then we have Y-shaped incision. It is cosmetically appealing, given in ladies. The Y of ladies correspond to Y-shaped incision. Then we have modified Y. The modified Y-shaped incision looks like a ligature rope, thus given in cases of hanging and strangulation or ligature deaths. Then the T-shaped incision, also known as U-shaped incision. Then we have one more incision, which is known as X-shaped incision. The X-shaped is different from all others. So it is given at a different position. It is given at the back of the body. It is given in cases of custodial deaths due to torture or to assess deeper tissue injuries, as in cases of bruises or any brutal internal injury. So that's all. Thank you.